Hello everyone, it's been a minute since I last posted, so we're going to do a quick video and help our neighbor out by fixing their iPhone 14 charging port. So I started testing, and the first thing I noticed was that the lightning cable will not fully go in. So something's probably stuck in there. As a side note, he said the wireless charging works, but note that an Apple Watch charger will not charge an iPhone because it's different technology. So if you're trying this at home and your Apple Watch isn't charging your iPhone, it's not broken, it's just that they're not compatible. So now let's power down the phone and get to work. We now know that the battery's not the problem because there's wireless charging, so I'm going to try to clean the charging port. To clean the port, I'm going to use a SIM tray popper, and I'm going to go right in the middle of the charging port all the way to the back. Then I'm going to slide it in a straight line to the left to try to clean anything out. I'm very careful not to hit the metallic pins on the top or bottom because I could bend those. The very back of the charging port is the frame of the phone, so I can give it a little pressure. But again, be very careful not to touch the pins on the top or bottom. If you don't have a SIM tray popper or a brush, you can use a paper clip and a toothbrush, but make sure to clean it because it can taste really bad. It looks like I got all of the cement dust out of the charging port, so now I'm going to plug in the lightning cable and see if it works. The Apple logo came up and the screen turned on, so it looks like we both pulled off a victory today. So now I'm going to watch it charge for the next 5 minutes or so while I clean off this desk. And after 5 minutes it's still working, so we're done here. It's always good to help people out, so if this video helped you, please go out and help someone else. Thanks for watching.